Hi, to link your Multiverse address to your DoctorX, you are going to hit on where you see MultiverseX address. It's going to open a browser. Since I'm using Chrome, you want to do well to read these instructions carefully. I took the time to read mine, so you should do the same. After which you tick on the box by the left. I understand and agree with the terms above and start. So it's loading. So when we get here, you see sign up on Sunwaves. They're asking for your verification code on Sunwaves. What you want to do is go straight to your Sunwaves app. Yes, you see where you have settings. That's after you hit on your profile picture. It's going to open this. You copy your verification, come back and paste it here and mark step as completed. You do the same for Callfluent. You go back to the Callfluent app, copy your verification code, come back, paste it, and for seal send, you go to your seal send, hit on your profile picture, you see verification code which you copy like I've just done, come back and paste it and mark step as completed. Now let's go over to Crypto Mayors and repeat the process. Mark as completed. So we are done with this one. Go ahead to verify and wait for the countdown. We're getting there. Yes. So that step is passed. We'll go ahead to hit on continue. So now we are on X verification phase. So we're going to copy this text here. You see verify your profile here. Copy button, hit on that. Copy now. Yeah, copied. Go to our X account, paste it and post it and copy the link and come back and paste the link and then mark step as complete. I've already done all of these tasks, so I've followed them on X, I've followed them on X. I've done all of this, so I go ahead to click on them. But you can still hit on what you have here to be sure that you have done those tasks. In case you didn't do them, you can go ahead and do them before coming back to tick on complete. So let's wait for the countdown. And if after counting down, yeah, oh, you get a reply like this, just go ahead and remember that link you copied from your X account, paste it, go ahead and tick all of this, mark them as complete because you've already done this. And then hit on verify again. Sometimes your service provider can be funny, so your network can be a bit funny, so be patient. Yeah, that phase is successfully completed. So now we're going to continue to the next phase, which is a Telegram verification. Here you input your Telegram username, like I'm doing mine, KD Jonas, mark step as complete. Yeah, I already joined them on Telegram, so I'm going to go ahead and mark as complete. I have already done this task. So yes, I have completed all these steps. Let's wait for the timer to count down successfully. So now that Telegram phase is successful. Let's see what the next phase is going to be. Oh, coin market cap verification. I do believe you already have this app in your phone. After opening your coin market cap, you see that highlighted star up there. Yeah, you can come back and yes, mark that step as complete because you're already following them on CoinMarketCap. Here you have to make a comment and copy the link to that post you made and come back here to paste. After all said and done, you get to a point where you have to input your X portal wallet address. So you come to X portal, you see, and then hit on a go. It opens like I'm doing. Yeah, I hit on receive. You see my wallet address is there already, so I just go ahead and copy it and I take it back to my browser where I'm going to impute it. I have imputed it and continue to submit it. Yeah, congratulations, finally. Guys, this was such a rigorous process, and don't give up if it stresses you. Just keep trying again and again. It will definitely come through. It's possible that your network is playing with you. So, thank you guys so much for staying with me to the end of this video. Do well to like the video, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you.